Just a quick video on how to remove a seized wheel bearing. This is a 99 Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive. Tried everything. Jacks, prying, putting the air hammer on the back side of the bolts. Didn't work for me. Ended up finding a guy that used a jack on the wheel studs and was able to pry it off that way. And then I saw another suggestion of removing a wheel stud, so that's what I did. You could hit these out with a hammer, or you can use your air chisel and pop the stud out. It actually comes out on this side, no problem. You can remove it without cutting it, and it'll be usable again. Then I just got one of my pullers and took it apart. Threaded it in here. Just threaded it in so when you tighten it, it butts up on this side, and make sure it's pushing somewhere on the spindle. You can see a divot, and I'll just show you it coming out here. Starting to come out there. I flipped over to this side and I got the impact on it. And there we go. That's how bad it was. You can see how much rust is on this thing. But being a puller with a fine thread, it pushed it out pretty good. Good luck out there.